Today we're setting up the perfect little spot for your favorite nighttime ritual, whether that's puzzles, painting, journaling, or just enjoying a quiet cup of tea. Hi friends, and welcome back to week 2 of our October night series. Last week we cozied up with movie night, and this week we're talking about something a little different. How to create an evening relaxation spot that actually works for your nighttime rituals. Now, this isn't just another reading nook. Reading is wonderful, of course, but not everyone ends their day with a book. Maybe you're the person who comes home, kicks off your shoes, and immediately wants to dive into that 1,000-piece puzzle. Or maybe you need your hands busy with yarn and needles to actually quiet your mind. Whatever it is, let's make space for it. So, how do we pull that off in a small home? Step 1. Focus on function first. Think about what you actually do at night. If you love puzzles or crafts, a small foldable or wall-mounted table can be a game changer. It gives you a surface when you need it, and it disappears when you don't. If you're more into journaling or tea time, a simple side table next to your chair might be all you need. The trick is matching your setup to your ritual. And here's the thing, your relaxation spot doesn't have to be permanent. A rolling table that stays against the wall during the day, but rolls out to become your station at night, that's smart small space living. You're not sacrificing your daytime space for your nighttime ritual. Step 2. Get your lighting right. Evening activities call for thoughtful lighting. Harsh overhead bulbs can feel jarring, but you still need enough light to see what you're doing. A lamp with a warm glow is perfect for journaling or knitting, while puzzles or painting might call for a brighter, but still cozy task light. This way, your eyes don't get tired and the space feels inviting. Bonus points if you find a lamp with a built-in USB port or wireless charging pad. Your phone charges while you unwind, and you're not hunting for an outlet or cord later. Step 3. Build in easy storage. Here's where a lot of small spaces get tripped up. The activity ends, but the supplies stay out. Suddenly, what felt relaxing becomes clutter. A basket for puzzles, a storage ottoman for knitting, a cabinet for sewing or crafting supplies, or even wall hooks for craft bags. Keeps everything tidy, but close at hand for the next night. 5 seconds of cleanup, and your space is clear again. Step 4. Add a simple comfort layer. Even though this isn't about a cozy nook, comfort still matters. A soft throw, a supportive pillow, or even just a good chair that signals, "This is my spot," helps your body and mind ease into downtime. This is your signal to yourself that the busy part of the day is over. When you sit in that chair, wrap that throw around your shoulders, your nervous system gets the message. It's time to switch gears. And here's the beauty of it. You don't need a lot of space. You just need a small, intentional setup that supports the way you like to relax, whether that's 15 minutes of journaling or a whole evening with paints and tea. The goal is the same, to carve out a little ritual that makes your nights calmer and more enjoyable. For me, it's painting following a tutorial. Nothing fancy, just a half hour or so of playing with colors before bed. But having my supplies organized and ready in a little utility trolley means I actually do it, instead of thinking, setup is too much work tonight. If you're looking for multifunctional furniture or clever storage pieces that can help carve out that space, all of the pieces shown in today's video are linked in the description box. From the fold-away tables, to those clever storage solutions that actually look good in your space, and even the utility trolley that I use. There's also the link to sign up for our weekly community newsletter, and while you're there, grab our free Calm Home Reset Kit that includes a list of 60 cozy fall hobbies that you can give a try. I'm curious, what's your nighttime ritual? Are you team puzzle, team craft, or something else entirely? Let me know in the comments. Next week, we're diving into sleep sanctuaries and how to turn your bedroom into a true nighttime retreat, because we all deserve restful nights, especially in the cozy season. Until then, I hope you find a little pocket of calm in your evenings this week. Bye-bye.